Today, folks, we're on a whistling tour of Penny Lane, Rosslyn. I begin with my first number. Be a nice place is kind of a metaphor for where we're at. Will somebody please ask the Army band if I can join them once in a while? I'd enjoy that. They were very helpful here. For those of you in Davos who are, you know, kind of bereft of looking at my view from the street, which is really phenomenal. It was kind of what keeps me going. Today, at Farragut Park, right almost in front of the palace, you can see it in the background, some Marine Corps general who was tagged in front of me as such by not his people stopped and handed a bum a $5 bill in front of me and shook the bum's hand, and then walked away while I was yelling at him like a drill sergeant, and he didn't flinch. Boy, was he brave, and he won, right? Didn't give up anything. This is what you got for soldiers. There's some guys you should just never let out of either the fort or retirement. Other people, yeah, you should. I'm not that guy. And not his shill friend who was standing there waiting for him, looked like another maybe low-level general. That, folks, concludes our whistling tour of Rosslyn. Want me to go back and shoot another 20 minutes of Penny Lane? You do it yourselves. It's pathetic.